Well, we had to take a little break from doing our oil pan gasket because when I took the rock shield off, I noticed that there's a big oil leak coming from the front main, and so I decided we might as well do that while we're at it. The hardest part about that whole deal is getting the Jesus bolt off, or the main harmonic balancer bolt off, and then pulling the harmonic balancer. As far as the gasket goes, it's pretty simple. It comes out the front, actually seals on the harmonic balancer. So here is our front main seal, if you can see it, and it's got a dent in it on the side there, and that's from where I took a screwdriver to get it out, because it comes out the front. So once you take the balancer and everything off, you can get the seal straight out of the front, which is kind of nice. So you just take a little screwdriver and slip it right on the edge of it and kind of thump it in there and just pry, and you can get the old one out. And the good news is that it actually seals to the balancer. So you'll put it back in there, and then when you put your balancer on, it'll actually compress the seal. So you don't have to worry about trying to get it over a lip or anything like that. So we got that out, but probably the biggest thing that you're wanting to figure out is how to get that balancer off there and how to get that Jesus bolt off. So here lays the balancer on the floor, and one thing to note is just putting stuff back on the same as you take it off. If you look right up there, you can see a blue dot. There's a blue dot on the outside of the balancer that matches up to that somewhere right there below my thumb. And so that blue dot, I'm going to line that balancer back up when I put it on. So there's also a blue dot right on the inside, and then there's a blue dot on my big bolt. When I put it back on there, I get those dots lined back up to know that I got it torqued back to the same position. So the way to get these off, you can beat yourself to death. You can use a impact driver, which is what I do. You can do all kinds of things, but you're not going to get too far unless you put some heat on it. So the way to do it is actually let's pretend that it's up there. So what you do is you take a torch, and with the balancer around it, you actually heat the end of the bolt. And what it does is it allows the bolt to elongate, and it takes the load off of it. And then you can hit it with a impact driver. So you heat just the end right there on that, heat, and give it a little. It's got to get pretty hot too. Once you take it off, you can't hold it in your hand. But I heated it a little bit, heat it for about a minute with the torch, and then I tried it with the impact. It still didn't come off, so then I heated it for another 30-40 seconds, and then pop, came right off there. So you can beat yourself to death doing it, but heat is your friend. And also heat's going to be your friend on doing the install too, because what I'll do is reheat that bolt on the end, and then when I put it back in, I should be able to get it to line back up, and then it'll shrink back down once it cools off. So the harmonic balancer comes off right here with just a puller, and so you just got to make sure you got you a nice big tip on the end of it so it'll fit up to the center where the bolt goes. And I'll take the bolt back out. And so you just got to make sure that your center is centered up so it'll fit right on the end of that and not mess up your threads that go down the side of there. Pretty easy to do. Seal comes out the front, put the seal back in, put the balancer back on, and tighten the bolt back down to where it was before, or whatever spec it was. If you know what the spec is, I'm just going to tighten it back to where it was. Now there we go. So that's how you get one off a 6.2 Vortec for a Cadillac or Denali or whatever they got for this engine. But it can all be done inside the car, and you don't have to take it off or take the front plate off unless it's leaking. So what I'm going to do is just take this little block of wood, and I'm going to put it right there in the center and just thump it until I can get the threads to engage on the big bolt, and then we can pull it back in with the bolt, get it all seated back on there. So as you can see, I didn't quite get my little blue dots that were originally on there lined back up. But after the heat cycles, I feel pretty good that it's on there really tight, and not going to have any problems with this. I could keep putting a little more heat on it and tighten it up little by little, but I think we're good there. So now we just have to put the belts back on, and then we can begin working on our oil pan gasket, because we got this one buttoned up. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching.